How to stream on Twitch from your PC. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipan Prasad, and today I'll guide you on how you can stream on Twitch from your PC. Now you can easily stream through various softwares. Now I'll just be recommending OBS Studio, so I'll just be guiding you through it. First you want to go ahead and you can download OBS Studio easily by searching it on website. You can simply type in OBS stream and go ahead and download it OBS. And once you download and install it, you want to go ahead and open it up and you want to set it up for Twitch stream. So I'll just open it up real quick here. In my case, I have already set it up quite a few here, but I'll just remove it. And once I remove it, I'll be guiding you through on how you can set it up properly here. Now first, in order to set it up, you want to create a scene, right? So you want to click on the plus icon below the scenes and then click on OK. You can rename it to gaming, stream and such, and then OK. And then what you want to do is you want to go ahead and you want to head over to sources. Under sources, you want to click on plus icon, and then if you want to stream your display, you want to simply click on display capture option, click on OK under create new, and then select OK. Once you have done so, as you can see, the stream is now here, it's showing up your display. Then you want to go ahead and you want to set up a webcam, right? In order to set up a webcam, you want to click on the plus icon there, and then once you do so, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and select the option that says video capture device, click on OK, and then select your webcam, or if you have any other device set up connected, you can select it and then click on OK. Now it's my default here and you can resize it. Once you have done so, now your webcam is set up and your display is set up, your screen sharing, your gaming. The next thing is to set up audio input. You want to click on plus icon there, and then you want to click on audio input capture, click on create new, OK, and then you want to select a device. In my case, my device microphone is turned off, the access is not there, so I'll just click on OK. And once you have added your audio input, whether external device or your default audio, then if your audio input is there, this should glow up here, it should show up here, but it's not showing up right here currently, as you can see, because I don't have added any audio input. And once you do so, now you want to head over to settings here under controls, and then you want to head into the option that says stream, select Twitch, click on use stream key. Now remember not to share your stream key with anyone. In order to get your stream key, you want to head over to your browser and you want to head over to twitch.tv, log into your account, click on the profile icon at the top right, then click on create your dashboard. Under create your dashboard, you want to select settings and then you want to select stream. You'll be able to get your stream key, click on copy and head over to OBS Studio, paste it right here, and then click on connect account, and it should initialize browser and you can go ahead and open up and log into your account and start streaming. So this way you can set up your OBS and Twitch and you can start streaming through your PC on Twitch. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.